Hello, my name is Manjot. I'm doing Diploma of Nursing with IHNA Brisbane campus. Nursing is my dream career, so I choose IHNA for that. IHNA is very supportive. Teachers are very supportive and cooperative over here. They teach me how to deal with patients with their ADLs, and they also improve my communication skills. I would like to continue my bachelor's with IHM Brisbane campus, and I think I will succeed in my life as becoming an enrolled nurse in coming few months. I'm enjoying my journey very well. IHNA is a great institute to pursue your dream, like doing nursing or whatever, like you're doing enrolled nurse or bachelor's in nursing. So IHNA helps a lot in pursuing your dreams.